OMNIS, safer on a whole new level. Before OMNIS, titration sometimes meant exposure to hazardous liquids. Not any longer. With our new liquid adapter, you can exchange reagents without opening a single bottle. This liquid adapter connects your OMNIS titrator with a corresponding bottle cap. The bottle cap is part of the reagent bottle. Handling this adapter system is simple, safe, and fast. Simply remove the liquid adapter from the empty reagent bottle. Open the lid of the bottle cap on the new reagent bottle. Finally, snap the liquid adapter onto the new reagent bottle. That's it. LEDs on the titrator communicate the status of your OMNIS system at a single glance. The liquid adapter, the stirrer, the electrode, the pump module, and also the sample robot. Red signals system error, orange signals waiting to connect, and green tells you that your OMNIS system is ready to analyze. Reagents for your OMNIS titrator come in bottles with an RFID chip in their cap. As soon as you connect the bottle, OMNIS checks the content and saves this information in the method you are about to perform. This check prevents user errors and provides full traceability of your results. It's evident, OMNIS makes titration safer than ever.